Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to repair any error with Microsoft Office application. So if you have Microsoft Office 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 or even 2019 and you are having problems or getting errors when you try to open Word, Excel, PowerPoint or Outlook, then this video will show you how to do it. First, please make sure that you have the correct installation package of Microsoft Office. So if you have Office 2013, make sure that you have the installation application for it, and the same for 2016, 2007 or 2008. You will find the download link for Microsoft Offices below this video where you can download the installation applications. Second, after downloading those applications, you will put it on your desktop and will open the folder. For instance, I'm using 2013 as an example. I will click on the setup application. Windows will ask you if you want really to allow that application. You will say yes, or you will click yes. And here guys, instead of clicking add or remove features, we will click or we'll select repair and we'll click continue. And repairing Microsoft Office Professional 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016 or whatever, the repair process will start. Please bear in mind that the operation might take from 1 minute up to 20 minutes to do all the necessary repairs. And this should resolve any issues with Microsoft Offices, and it will repair all the corrupted files on the Microsoft Office system files. As you can see guys, the repair is over. So it says the configuration for Microsoft Office Professional Plus is complete. To make changes take effect, exit and restart any open Office programs. So that's what we're gonna do. I have no application open, so I can just close it. And it says in order to complete setup, a system reboot is necessary. Would you like to reboot now? I will just click no, and I will go to try first if it's going to open. And here we go, it is totally working. So if you are still facing some issue, some problem, a simple system reboot should fix the issue. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always put a comment in the video, or you can just send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more videos, please press like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.